Hi guys, this is my trip to Dudhsagar. After you reach Dudhsagar entry point, you need to pick tickets. The entry fee would be 500 bucks, and after which you also need to pick the life jacket for 40 rupees. And in the midway, they'll also collect 100 rupees. And it's a 45 minutes drive from the entry point. From Panaji, it would be around 2.5 hours drive, about 70 kilometers. So, this if you plan Dudhsagar, it would take up your whole day. So, I would recommend you to start early, uh, reach by 9 o'clock, collect the tickets, spend good time over there, and the vehicle which is arranged by the government would be waiting for 1.5 hours, and after which, if you exceed, the amount would increase as per the time.